Welcome to our demonstration of AI Agile Delivery Navigator, the intelligent tool based on OpenAI ChatGPT-4, designed to transform the way teams approach Agile project management and SAFe Agile program increment planning. In today's fast-paced software development environment, accurately estimating tasks and aligning them with team capabilities and project timelines is more crucial than ever. AI Agile Delivery Navigator leverages the power of advanced AI to offer precise breakdowns of tasks or epics into user stories, each tailored to be achievable within a standard iteration.
In our last video, we explored the transformative potential of AI in Agile delivery, focusing on story point estimation, backlog refinement, and sprint planning. Today, in this video, we're going to bring those concepts to life with a real-life example. We'll show you how the AI Agile Delivery Navigator not only promises but delivers on making Agile processes more streamlined and intuitive. So, if you're ready to see theory in action and discover how to elevate your Agile game, you're in the right place.
Throughout this demo, we'll explore how AI Agile Delivery Navigator employs the Fibonacci sequence for task estimation, adheres to Agile and Scrum practices, and tailors support for SAFe Agile PI planning. This approach not only streamlines the planning process but also significantly improves the accuracy of sprint planning, taking into account team velocities, dependencies, and the unique dynamics of the Agile release train, which is a central concept in SAFe, representing a group of Agile teams aligned to a common mission through a single program increment, working together to deliver larger, more complex solutions efficiently.
Key features of AI Agile Delivery Navigator include estimation accuracy. By analyzing historical data and current project parameters, AI Agile Delivery Navigator generates precise numeric estimations for tasks and user stories. This accuracy is vital for setting realistic expectations and planning effective sprints, ultimately leading to more reliable delivery timelines. Customized sprint planning. The ability to depict a dynamic roadmap that adjusts to new obstacles or changes ensures that sprint planning is both flexible and resilient. This customization allows teams to remain agile, adapting plans to accommodate unforeseen challenges without derailing the project's overall progress. Dynamic adaptation. The tool's capability to recalibrate plans in real time in response to changes or obstacles is essential for maintaining momentum and ensuring continuous progress. Dynamic adaptation ensures that the Agile delivery process is responsive, enabling teams to adjust quickly to internal and external shifts, maintaining alignment with project goals and timelines. Let's join a real-time demo of AI Agile Delivery Navigator, complete with a sneak peek of its game-changing features in action. See how it transforms Agile delivery firsthand.
This example will highlight how our custom GPT tool streamlines the Agile planning and execution processes. By breaking down complex tasks into manageable user stories and providing accurate time and effort estimations, this customized GPT is designed to enhance project delivery efficiency within a practical and applicable framework. The link to this custom GPT is in the description section below. Okay, so let's begin our demo. Just to say that we have prepared some initial requirements for this GPT in advance. That is the high-level epics and the team composition and the speed of the velocity of the teams. When we asked the GPT to respond to us with an answer, it may take some time, during which I will speed up the video. So the first thing that we do is to click on the only conversation prompt that's available. That is, I want to create a sprint plan for my project here. Very good. Now that it has asked us for 7 items, we will provide them as requested. So the first 4 is the title of the project, development of a website for an online retail company, 6 sprints, each sprint 10 days, 2 cross-functional teams, 7 members in each. Average velocity of each team is assumed to be 15 points. We don't have a deadline for this one because we have just given it the 6 sprints and 10 days. Although if you do have a 10 days, if you do have a deadline, there's no problem. You can give it that, then it will adjust it accordingly. Any unknown blockers, here we assume that there are no third parties or blockers. But if you're dealing with third-party contractors, third-party suppliers, or other organizations that you're working with which are, who are outside the scope of your work and your delivery, then they may cause blockers. You can actually add that to the list here, but we assume none at the moment. So the next one that we have to do is to provide the high-level epics, and as I mentioned, we have prepared those in advance. Okay, so let's give those high-level epics that come from the product backlog. There we go. We're not going to go and read the whole lot, but believe me, these are the epics that we have drawn in advance. Okay, now we can ask it to proceed. Either you can click on this up arrow or just press return. Okay, now let's see what it has done. Now we go up here, and this is how it has responded based on the information that we have provided. The team composition is developers, designers, product owners, and the Scrum Master. Sprint plan, website infrastructure, and initial design. The objectives for Team A, objectives for Team B, and the second sprint product catalog and initial customer account management. Objectives for Team A, objectives for Team B, and the same for Sprint 3. And for Sprint 4 to 6, it has not completed this sprint plan. So you can either wait until the first 3 sprints are completed, or you can actually, because then you get a better picture of how things have progressed. Or alternatively, you can ask it, because you want to have a fuller picture of what is ahead, you can ask it to do a full planning of the 6 sprints. Okay, so let's ask it to do a complete plan for all the 6 sprints. Okay, now let's see what it has done. We asked it to give the complete sprint plan for the 6 sprints. It has done that for each team, and it has given it point and the objectives for each team are listed. One thing to bear in mind is that part of the characteristics of ChatGPT is that the format of the response is not always the same, although the essence will be, but not the format. So you might get a different format, but the essence will be as it is here. Now, if we go here, it says completion status by the end of 6 sprints. One thing you gotta bear in mind that sometimes during the length of the sprints that we have given this GPT, or what we have planned for, not all the epics will be completed. There may be stories left in each epic that need to be completed or addressed or to work on after the 6 sprints. But here it says that it is anticipated that all epics will be completed. However, any unfinished tasks or enhancement identified during the sprint would need to be prioritized for future development. But our plan will be completed during these 6 sprints. When you apply SAFe Agile principles, when you've got more than one team, 2 or 3 or whatever number of teams that you've got, then you have got a sort of planning increment program board. So we can ask this GPT to provide us with that program board. Usually when using or when going through the traditional planning of the planning the increment, this would be a 2-day exercise, but now let's see what happens here. Okay, let's review this table that it has given us, because we did ask it to provide it in tabular format here. And there we go. So let's see what it has provided us. It has provided the objectives for each team and the dependencies for each team. For instance, Team B's design decision depends on Team A's infrastructure setup, and so on and so forth. Now, when you've got this one in SAFe Agile, you use, traditionally you would use arrows and lines, but here, because we cannot, or at least ChatGPT cannot draw lines and arrows, then it has done it in textual format in these dependencies columns. And finally, to actually create this plan, this sprint plan, and the table that you can see before you, it's going to be a lengthy exercise. At least it would be 2 to 3 days of meetings between a large number of people. As we said, each team has got 7 people. You're going to have, depending on the organization, how many people are involved. But you could see that how fast it was done. Even this demo, you can see it was done in probably in a few minutes. That is the advantage, or that's the advantage of using this GPT. However, try it for yourself and see what you think, and we would welcome your comments. All the best and take care, and goodbye for the time being.
Traditionally, these activities require extensive manual effort, involving numerous meetings for backlog refinement, estimation sessions, often using planning poker, and coordination discussions to align on dependencies and sprint capacities. By providing instant, detailed sprint plans and identifying dependencies across teams, this GPT model can save Agile teams dozens of hours per PI planning cycle. These savings come not just from reduced meeting times but also from the decreased need for preliminary analysis and manual calculation of story points versus team capacity. Furthermore, the custom GPT's ability to quickly adjust plans based on new inputs or changes in project scope further enhances its value, allowing teams to remain agile and responsive to change with minimal overhead. AI Agile Delivery Navigator offers a sophisticated solution that enhances planning accuracy, team efficiency, and project outcomes.
While standard ChatGPT can indeed provide estimations and plans when prompted, the AI Agile Delivery Navigator Custom GPT offers several distinct advantages tailored specifically to the needs of Agile and SAFe Agile environments. AI Agile Delivery Navigator is designed with a deep understanding of Agile methodologies and the SAFe framework, enabling it to offer more nuanced and context-aware advice than a general-purpose AI. This ensures that the custom GPT suggestions are directly applicable to the unique challenges of Agile delivery, such as managing dependencies across an Agile release train. Just as an additional note, an Agile release train, ART, refers to a collaborative group of multiple smaller Agile teams, each working on different aspects of a larger project or product, but coordinated in such a way that their efforts are harmonized towards achieving a unified set of goals and deliverables.
For teams and organizations seeking a solution perfectly aligned with their workflows, creating their own custom GPTs presents a valuable opportunity. Custom GPTs can be tailored to fit specific project management frameworks, incorporate proprietary data for enhanced insights, and align closely with organizational goals and strategies. This level of customization ensures that the AI tool is not just a generic assistant but a strategic asset integrated into the fabric of the product delivery process. Alright, that wraps up our sneak peek into the AI Agile Delivery Navigator. It's been quite the ride showing you how this nifty tool is shaking up the Agile delivery scene, making everything from task breakdowns to sprint planning a breeze. We're really excited about the possibilities it opens up for teams. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Dive into AI Agile Delivery Navigator and let's kick some agile delivery goals together. Catch you next time.
Thank you for tuning in and watching our content. We appreciate your time and engagement. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share your views with us and fellow viewers. Thank you for being a part of our online community. And we hope to see you again.